Hello everyone. Today I am gonna explain the question merge strings alternatively from Leetcode 75. Um, Let us study the question now. You are given two strings, word 1 and word 2. Merge the strings by adding letters in alternative order, starting with word 1. If a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of merged string. Okay, we need to return the merged string. Okay, I can explain you problem clearly. Let us consider this example. Uh, yeah, here given word 1 ABC, word 2 PQR. We need to merge the string alternative manner. For example, see here, observe clearly. A from word 1 and second alphabet P from word 2. And B from word 1, third alphabet from word 1 and fourth alphabet from word 2. And C from here and B. Like that we need to do. And another one we need another edge case we need to consider here is if the word we need to ensure minimum length of the string while we are adding letters in the alternative order. If the string is longer, we need to append the additional letters. Here it is mentioned. Append the additional letters on to the end of merged string. So, hope you are clear with the question. So, I am gonna explain how it how the code works. Let us see. Okay, let us declare an empty string result. Okay, and now uh, I am using for loop.